present. I'm Fitra as the first presenter and my partner
Tasmi as the second presenter.
We would like to present the news of Indonesia's ban on homecoming or mudik. Good morning, viewers in Indonesia and all around the world. It is May 21st, 20 and 21. And Tasmi?
It is so wonderful to be here with you.
I am the biggest fan. Today we shall provide you the news which is taken factually from Indonesia. We shall accompany you for 5 minutes more with interesting information.
Well, let's begin the news today.
Government through the COVID-19 task force issue a handbill relating to the ban on homecoming at Ramadan and the feast of Eid 20 and 21. Restrictions on public activities are regulated in Handbill number 13, 20 and 21 about the ban of homecoming of Eid al-Fitr and efforts to control the spread of COVID-19 during the month of Ramadan.
And for those, violation of the handbill will be penalized. Violation of this handbill will be fined, social sanction, confinement, and or criminal, according to the statute. Head of the COVID-19 task force, Doni Monardo said, quote from the official site of Setkab, Thursday, 8 April.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are sanctions for violation of Handbill number 13, 2021. The first, for citizens using private vehicles are requested to turn around. The second, both public and smuggler will be strict sanctioned. It may be an assessment or other administrative sanction. The third, for public transport operators and river, lake, and crossing companies to be removed from service schedules and banned from operating during the Eid period. The fourth, for ship operators, passengers are barred from harbor service until the removal of the shipping company business license permit. And the last, for airline enterprises that commit abuses, it will be sanctioned on administrative duty according to current laws.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the statement of the Ministry of the Coordinator of the Field of Human and Cultural Development, Muhajir Effendi, there's a few facts in the 20 and 21 homecoming ban, and here are a few facts related to the ban of homecoming. First, ladies and gentlemen, this year's homecoming ban went into effect May 6 up to 17, 20 and 21. Ladies and gentlemen, this ban on homecoming is applicable to all of society. The main reason for the 20 and 21 homecoming ban is for control of the spread of COVID-19 still in Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, the police of the Republic of Indonesia will do surveillance due to this year's ban on homecoming. Muhajir says that even when the extensive national holiday, there's no homecoming allowed.
Viewers, in fact, the government's ban on homecoming cannot reach the number of crowds but creates more crowds, namely with the opening of tourist attractions. Tourist spots are crowded with people in the Eid homecoming prohibition. The coordinating minister for the economy, Airlangga Hartarto, spoke up about this. He asked regional governments to ensure the visitors' capacity is only 50% and continue to implement health protocols.
But unfortunately, the Indonesian people did not heed these orders. For example, in several tourist attractions such as Sanur Beach in Bali and Anyer Beach in Banten, most of them do not implement health protocols. Even more than 50% of visitors to tourist attractions. And most of the reasons for those on vacation are because of homecoming is prohibited, so they want to spend the time with their family or friends as well as a means of refreshing.
People are encouraged not to go outside the city limits. Then, ladies and gentlemen, we see again what this policy is really like in society. These policies are quick to reap the controversy in society. Many societies that judge this policy need to be taken to control the spread of COVID-19. This deployment is also considered appropriate to govern the normally increasing public mobility at the homecoming, which is fit makes the spread of COVID-19 unrestrained. In the meantime, there are also some societies that find this policy incorrect. Many citizens who consider the 20 and 21 rule of homecoming to be obscure and confusing. The government has been asked to review the 20 and 21 annual ban policy. That some reason or comment from the society associated with this. That's all the news today. If you have some critics and suggestions, please visit us in www.seputarindonesia.com.
Finally, I am Tasmi,
And I'm Fitra.
and all of crews of Seputar Indonesia News. We say see you next time and goodbye Indonesia.